Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jonathan, the General Manager of Kiwi Technology. It's very happy to be here to have the chance to share our experience in developing IoT business using LoRaWAN technology. So before we start to share the experience, allow me to give you a snapshot of my company. Kiwi Technology is actually a Taiwan-based company, and we have a Japan branch office to develop the sales business, and also we provide technical support in the overall Japan market. And we also have a sales force for overseas markets. And actually, the main mission of my company is to develop the IoT solution and a SaaS platform in order to service our customers to help them achieve the SDG goal, because I think that will be very important for each and every companies in the future. And the solution from Kiwi Technology is not only the device, the hardware. We actually put everything integrated as one total package to provide the service to customers. That will be including the devices, the hardware, using different technologies. And also we have security certified, the SaaS platform, which is very reliable and mature and secure in order to provide different kinds of application services to customers. And also we provide advanced data analysis to help our customers to further develop some of their business intelligence. So that is what we're doing now. And in our business scope, we have 4 major categories. The first one is at the very earliest time we started using LoRa. Is about the smart retail. And right now we're very focused on develop solutions on HACCP, especially on the food safety solutions. So later on, I will share some of the details of our experience with all of you. And we also deliver the indoor air quality management system to help our customer in Japan especially. And in our future, we also want to develop some more applications, such like the EMS solutions for customer too. And the second major category is the smart logistics. And our focus will be on the cold chain. And later, I will also have something to share with you too. Actually, the logistic is something, the expansion from what we have been doing on the smart retail. Because what we're serving now is mostly the retail, the very big retail group in Japan. And we want to do further to provide the further service to help them to build out the whole chain for under temperature control system. And the next one is about digital twin. It's a very, very hot topic. And if we are narrowed down to a very specific thing, there will be something like a digital transformation. Actually, that is what we're doing now. And the most important thing, we have been invested, all the people, our product and technology, especially in the smart metering system. And the next one is a very brand new category for Kiwi. It's an LCU item and related applications for smart city. And here I would like to share with you so far how we already achieved by using LoRa. We are based in Taiwan, as I just explained. And on the left side, you can see we are focusing on the distribution centers to deployments using LoRaWAN. So far, across the small island, Taiwan, my hometown, we have a total of 7 distribution centers using LoRaWAN. And there are lots of hundreds medical catch, the medical like a reefer, to protect all the vaccine within a very good temperature control. It's moving around this Taiwan island. And at the right side, you can see that now our service across the whole area in Japan. And we are serving now as more than 800 retail shop stores. Some of them are mostly very big stores. And right now, actually, it's more than 50,000 sensors in operation today. And before I share with our experience, I would like to quickly mention one thing. We believe that sustainability is something very important to be considered. So there are many, many challenges nowadays, not only the environmental condition, the economic conditions, and also some very diversified technology is also one of the major challenges to help we deliver the goal of sustainability. But we believe that this is a main thing we have to consider and help the customer to solve, because data is always the most important thing, and it's a very valuable pressure for them, because they would like to grow and know what's happening now and find out the solution and help them to grow the business and help their users. Okay, now is what I'm going to share. This is the first use case. It's about the food safety. This is what we have been doing for several years. Taking this as an example, it's a AEON retail shops that we have been serving right now. And the number of the stores are still growing. Very fast, will be more than 1,000 stores in Japan by the end of this year. And we'll keep growing, maybe double the stores in 2024. So what we are providing to AEON customers is we provide the end-to-end solution, from the sensor to the gateway and all the way to the SaaS platform. And especially the most important thing is we have to provide in-field service, because for them, it's just a temperature data. But for us, we are providing a LoRaWAN stable solution. We have to make sure the reliability and the accuracy of the data day after day. And the second thing I would like to share with you is about cold chain. We're actually doing that right now. And this is an example based in Taiwan, who is in charge of managing the medical and vaccine transportation to everywhere in Taiwan Island. So before they have the system, it's very hard for them to manage the cold cage moving around different distribution centers. But with this system, it's very easy for them. And they have a very sufficient data to do the data analysis, to know where the vaccines are and how the vaccines are well prepared and stored in the cage. And in this case, we also provide very similar solution as what we're serving to Japan retail customers, including the sensor gateway, the backend system, and also the data analysis as well. And by doing so, it's not only manage the temperature data, but you can also use this system to deliver the access control. Because when the cages are moving around in between different distribution centers, you have to know where the cages are, and this helps them to manage the very precious assets. The next one is about the indoor air quality system monitoring system. What we're doing now is to help them to do automation. This is also what we're doing now for retail in Japan mostly. So after using this system, LoRa can help them to ensure the data accuracy to the 100%. And with the data, of course, they can save the labor hours significantly. And of course, they also use the data to manage the CO2, the data to manage the people in and out. So in this case, we provide different kinds of sensors and also our gateway and the SaaS platform and also the backend system. And we also specially designed some in-field, on-the-spot display for them to help the people in the field to easily understand what the situation are. And this is something we have been doing for 3 years. The use case here is Japan. We are working with this top-tier the gates maker, the gates company. Of course, we work with the partners on the NCU. And we mostly provide the gateway and our network server. And the operator, we work with ISA in this case. So this, you can see every year, the operation cost saving is very significant. And this is the use case we're working in Taiwan. It's a LPG. Also very popular in Japan and some Asia countries. So by using this solution, we can easily manage each of the tank, how many remaining capacity of the liquefied gas in the tank. And with the data, we can send to the control center, and they can do the smart dispatch system, so they can really save significantly the fuel consumption. It is also part of the SDG. And this is the final use case I would like to share with you. It's agricultural management. This is also very early time. We will have been doing in Japan for quite a few years. And still till now, we're still expanding the service. So we work, so basically we provide this, the LoRaWAN module to the server maker. Let them do different kinds of suitable sensors for agricultural applications. And we provide the gateway and also the backend system to integrate the overall services as the final service to customers. Okay, so this is what I'm going to share with you. Thanks for coming here. And technology ways to be your best partner using LoRaWAN solution. Thank you.